Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online class Ekalaiva. See, today we are going to see class 1 subject is EVS, the topic name is Home Sweet Home. We have to see about here our home, okay. See, our home. What is our home? What is mean by home? Home means, see, where we live. Where we live, that place is called our home. With our family members, where we live with our family members, that place is called our home. Isn't it? We are living with our home only, no? We are family members also is there in our home. In your school it is called a home? No, because you can only come to school and after the school over you can go to your home. But wherever we go, we have to come back again to our home, that is called our sweet home, isn't it? See, how do our home protect us? Why do we need our home? We know that house, if we are stay in the house means we are feeling very safe and comfortable. Why means we cannot stay outside. In the sunlight we can stay outside, we can stay outside the sunlight. No, we cannot observe the sunlight as much. As well as the wind. If it is very snowy time or rainy time means we cannot stay in the outside. So we will be safe inside our house only, because the house only protect us from the sun and then wind and then rain as well as everything. And as the same thing, house keep us safe from the wild animals. You just think you are sleeping in the outside of the roadside means what will happen? Some animals will come and bite you. Even the insects also bite you. Some thief will come and thief your things also. So we will be safe inside our house only. We are safe and comfortable inside our house. Then our home. What are the things that are there in our home? We know very well. Yeah, home means it has the rooms and windows. The house must be have rooms as well as windows. See. See, our house must be have the rooms as well as windows. Each and every rooms having the house rooms and windows, no. Suppose the house didn't have any rooms or any windows what is this windows and rooms means what will happen? We cannot enter the room. So we need our home to enter the doors, and then windows also must be need. Why our house need the door means we have the main door in our house, no. Here we can see, no, it is the main door. Yeah, big sizes of the wooden thing is there, no, it is the main door. Because the main door only we can enter the inside as well as we can get out from the home outside. So the main door is help us to enter and get exit to our home. And the next one, windows. Why do we need the windows? Why we cannot contact without the window in our home means windows only help us to let the sunlight inside our home. See, if we are keeping our home closed means many microbes can grow there. If the microbes can grow there means we cannot breathe easily. So we need the sunlight as well as the fresh air. If we open our windows, the air can enter and get out from the house. So we need the windows to enter the sunlight as well as fresh air. That's why we need the windows, rooms and doors for our house. Then our home. If your home means it has the roof as well as walls. Roof means this is the roof. We can see here, no, it is called the roof. This roof will be in the flat, or some places having the sloping roof like that. So whatever what are the houses, it must need one roof, because roof only saves us from the rain or sunlight. Everything will be, it is working like a umbrella. Just you think, if you are having umbrella means we are safe from the rain and then sunlight. No, as well as we have the roof for our house. This roof only keep our house without entering any rain, sunlight or any other things. And then as well as we have the it is the walls. Walls means in the whole the sizes are covered the thing, no, that is called the walls. This walls made up of the cement, bricks or mud like that, the things, so stones, these like things are used for this walls, isn't it? Then rooms of our house. We have many rooms in our home. We have many rooms. We know that, no, what are the rooms are present in our home? We have the kitchen room, we have the living room, and then bedroom, bathroom, and then what is the dining room, and then what we have, bathroom. So many rooms are there in our house. Suppose we have the same hall only, means what will happen? We are not feel comfortable. So we need a separate room for all the things. So we have to see this about the rooms. What are the rooms? How they help means, first one is the bedroom. We can say about the bedroom. Bedroom, why do we need the bedroom means, we can take the rest and the sleep, comfortable sleep we can get from the bedroom. That's why we need the bedroom to our home. And then next one, we need the then we can rest and sleep here. We can rest and sleep the bedroom. Next one, we need the bathroom. We need bathroom. Why do we need the bathroom? We have take the bath here, and then we are using the toilet, we are washing, everything we are doing, no? So we need the bathroom. Then next one is the kitchen. We know the kitchen, no? Why do we need the kitchen? Our mother preparing the food here only. So we need the kitchen. So in our home we have the lot of the rooms, bedroom, and then kitchen, living room. Living room, we know that, no, in the living room only we can watch the TV, and then if any guest will come to our home means, we can keep them in the sitting in the living room. So we can watch the TV with our family members, everything do in the living room. Living room means we are saying in the hall, no, that is the living room. So this is the rooms of our house. That's all, children. This lesson is over. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates, children. Thank you.